Imagine trying to connect to the internet, but having no address or name to get online. How would your computer know where to send emails or find websites? DHCP is a clever system that solves this problem by giving every device a unique address automatically. Without it, we would spend hours setting up each device manually. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is a system that automatically gives devices like computers or phones their unique address on a network. This address is called an IP address. Without an IP address, the device cannot communicate or use the internet. DHCP saves time by assigning these addresses itself, instead of making a person set each address manually. When a device joins a network, it asks the DHCP server for an IP address. The server replies with an available address. It does this along with other needed info, like the network's gateway or DNS servers. The device then accepts the address and uses it for a set time called a lease. When that time ends, the device can ask for a new or the same address again. Here are some important points you should note about DCHP. DHCP leases IP addresses temporarily, not permanently, which helps manage limited address resources. It uses a four-step process: discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. DHCP can assign other settings like subnet mask and default gateway, not just IP addresses. DHCP servers track devices by their MAC addresses to avoid IP conflicts. There can be multiple DHCP servers on large networks to balance load or provide backup. DHCP relay agents forward DHCP messages between clients and servers across different network segments. DHCP is not a routable protocol. It works only within local networks. DHCP helps with device mobility by assigning new IP addresses when devices move networks. DHCP supports both IPv4 and IPv6 addresses. DHCP has some security risks, like DHCP starvation attacks, where attackers flood the server to exhaust IP addresses. Here's an easy example to help you understand better. Imagine you have a classroom with desks. Each desk has a number like an IP address. When a student or device enters the room or network, the teacher or DHCP server tells the student which desk number to use. The student uses that desk for the class period or lease. After class, the desk can be given to another student. Think of DHCP like a hotel receptionist. When a guest arrives, the receptionist gives them a room number or IP address. The guest stays for a limited time or lease. When the guest checks out, the room becomes available for new guests. This automatic process helps keep the hotel or network organized without confusion. In summary, DHCP is a helpful system that automatically assigns network addresses and other info. This is so that devices can communicate, making network management easier and faster.
Simply click the link below to learn more.